Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Good morning, everyone. My beloved students of 5th class, how are you? Are you safe in your home? I think you are safe, your health. I pray for your goodness. May Allah shower His mercy upon us and you. We are discussing chapter number 4, factors and multiples. In this chapter we have studied what is factor, what is multiple, what is even number, odd number, prime number, composite number, divisibility of numbers, and we have discussed at last HCF, highest common factor. Today our topic is LCM, HCF and LCM. Okay. LCM, least common factor. What is least common factor? Common multiple, sorry, least common multiple. Yes. Here we are going to find out LCM of two numbers, LCM of one more numbers. What it means? What is LCM? Least common multiple. Least common multiple. We have studied the multiple. What is the multiple? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. These are the multiples of 2. These are the multiples of 2. How can we say? 4 can be divided by 2. Then 4 is the multiple of 2. 2 is the multiple of 2. 8 is the multiple of 2. Then if there is two numbers, here 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. These are the multiples of 4. These are the multiples of 4. Please listen here carefully. I will describe what is LCM in simple way. These are the multiples of 2. These are the multiples of 4. Then my question, which is the least common multiple here? First and foremost, let us find out the common multiples of 2 and 4. Common multiple, here 2, here there is no 2. Then 2 is not common multiple. 4 is common multiple. Okay, here there is a 4, there is a 4. Then 4 is common multiple. 6, no, common multiple. 8, yes, there is, and here 8, common multiple. Then 10, no. Then when we check these multiples, we can find out that these are the 4 and 8 are the two common multiples of 2 and 4. Then LCM means, CM means common multiple. Here these are CM, these are the CM, no LCM, no chief minister. Here CM means common multiple. Common multiple, 4 and 8 are common multiple here, but we have to find out the LCM. LCM, which is the LCM? 4 least common multiple. 8 is not least here. 8 is greater than 4. Then 4 is least. Then 4 is the LCM. Okay, least common multiple. Then It is very easy to understand when we check this example. First we have to find out the multiples, then we have to find out the least common multiple, then that is known as LCM. Okay. Then the LCM of two or more numbers is the smallest number which is divisible by each one of the given numbers. Each, here that is a definition, we find out the LCM of 2 and 4, we get 4. 4 is the LCM. Then how can we say the LCM of two or more numbers? Two or more number is the smallest number. Then 4 which is divisible by each one of the given numbers. Which is divisible by each one of the given number. Given number here 2 and 4. 2 and 4. Then 2 can be divided by 4. 4 can be divided by 2. 4 can be divided by 4. That is the LCM. Okay. Smallest number which is divisible by each one of the given numbers. Then there is different way. Here we are going to study the different way to find out LCM. First there is example, find out the LCM of, find the LCM of 6 and 8. 6 and 8. Okay. Then the multiples of 6, which are the, we have to find out the multiples of 6. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60. These are the 10 multiples of 6. Then 8, multiples of 8, okay, 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80. Okay, these are the 10 multiples of 8. Then we have to find out the LCM. Which is the LCM here? The common multiples. Find out common multiples. Which are the common multiples? Here CM. Which are the CM? 6, no. 12, no. 18, 12, no. 18, no. 24, yes, 24. 24 here and here. Then 30, 36, 42, 48, yes, 48. 48. Then 54, no. 60, no. Then 24 and 48. 24 and 48. Okay. If you write next one, 66, 72, then 72 maybe. Okay, 72 also the common multiples. Okay, if you write more multiples, then we will get another common multiples. Okay, then these are the CM of 6 and 8. When compare these multiples, if you write more multiples of 6 and 8, we will find out more common multiples. Here, from these multiples, we get 3 common multiples, 24, 48, 72. Then, next step, what is the least of the common multiples? Least of the common multiples. This is large one. This is next large. This is least small. Then 24 is LCM. Okay. Here LCM is 24. 24. How can we say? What is the definition of LCM? The smallest number which can be divided by these two numbers. Yes, 24 can be divided by 6. 24 can be divided by 8. That is the smallest number which can be divided by two numbers, given two numbers without any remainder. Okay. Then that is LCM. Okay. Then there are different examples you have to write down in your notebook. Then finding LCM by prime factorization method. Okay, first method, prime factorization method. We have studied prime factorization. Prime factorization. What is means factorization? Yes, find out the factors of the given number. What is prime factorization? Yes, all factors should be prime numbers. We have to factorize, then we will get at last all numbers are prime numbers. What is prime number? Yes, prime number is a number which has only two factors, 1 and the number itself, like 2. 2 has only two factors, which is 1 and 2. 3 has two factors, 1 and 3. Then 4 has two more factors, 1, 2, then 4. Because 1 into 4, 2 into 2, 4. Then this has 4 is not prime number. 2 and 3 are the prime numbers because it has only two factors, the number itself and 1. Okay. Then here prime factorization method to find out LCM. Very simple way to find out LCM. Let us try our best. First example. Find the LCM 15, 18, 20. 15, 18, 20. 15, 18, 20. Okay. Then prime factorization by division method. 15 can be divided by 3. 5, 1. Okay. Then 18, 2, 9, 3, 1. Okay. Then 20 can be divided 2. Can you understand? We have studied this method, factorization by division. Okay. Then 20 can be divided by 2. Then we get 10. Then 2, 5, 1. Okay. These are the factors, factorization by division method. After that, we have to write 15. 15, 3 into 5. 3 into 5. 18. 2 into 3 into 3. Okay. 2 into 3 into 3. Then 20. 20, what is 2 into 2 into 5? 2 into 2 into 5. Okay. Then please listen here. There is sentence, collect the largest number of times each prime number occurs in the factors of the given numbers. In the given example, please listen here. First and foremost, you have to find out which factor is largest. What is largest number of times? Largest number of times each prime number occurs. Each prime number occurs in factors. Okay. Here prime number, which are the prime number? 5. 5 only one time. First we can take the ascending order 2. 2 here 2 times. Here only 1 times. Here no 2. Then 2 here 2 times. Then we will take this. We collect this because maximum times 2 times 2 has occurred here. Okay. So you have to take this 2. Okay. Double 2. Then 2 into 2. Okay. Then next 3. Please listen here. This we have to find out the LCM in the way of prime factorization method. First and foremost, we have to find out the factorize by division method. After that, we have to collect the maximum prime factor. Here 3 prime numbers are there. Which are they? 2, 3, 5. Next step, collect the largest number of times each prime number occurs. Collect the largest number of times. Largest number of times 2. Here 2 times, here 1 times, here no time. Then these 2 times we have taken. Then 2 into 2. Next 3. 2, okay. Next 3. 3 here no 3, here 2 3, here 1 3. Then we avoid this 3. We collect this 3 because there are 2 times. Okay. Then 3 into 3. Next 5. Here 1, here 1. Then we can take whatever may be. Let us take this 5. Okay. Then 1, 5. Okay. This is something difficult. So please, if you have any doubt, you can ask. After that, we have to multiply. 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 3, 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 3, 12. 12 into 3, 96. 96 into 5. 96 into 5. 6 into 5, 30. 3, 5 into 9, 40. 40. 45 plus 3, 48. Okay. 48. Then sorry, please listen here. Next step, there are 3 prime numbers 2, 3, 5. here 2 times, then we will take this 2 because here only one time, here no time, then 2 into 2. Okay, next 3 here, no 3 here, 2 3 here, no 1 3, then we will take this double 3 into 3. Next 5 only one time, here only one time, there, then we take only 1. Okay, then 2 into 2 4 into 3 12 into 3 36. Okay, 36 into 5 5 into 6 30, 3 into 5 15 by plus 3 18, then 180. This is LCM. Okay, LCM of 15 18 20 is 180. Okay, very simple way. This is the prime factorization method. We have tried our best to find out the LCM of three numbers 15 18 20 by prime factorization method. Then next point, example 2, there is to find the LCM of 12, 16 and 20 using the prime factorization method. There is solution you have to work out. Okay, then you can find out very simply. If you have any doubt, you just ask me. Okay, first you have to find out the factors by division method. 12 16 20, 12 factors of 12, 2 into 2 into 3, 16 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into. Okay, page number 113. Next 20, the factors 2 into 2 into 5, the prime factors. Okay, these are the prime factors. After that you have to select 2 in 16, there are 4 times, then we will take 4 2. Then 5 only one time, 3 only one time, then we have to multiply these taken prime factors, then we will get 240. Okay, yes. Then we have studied what is LCM. We have studied today what is LCM, and we have studied find the simple way to find out the LCM factorization method. Okay, prime factorization method. Let us discuss the last part of this chapter in next class, relation between HCF and LCM. Thank you watching for this video. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah.